How to confirm your identity on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to confirm your identity on your Facebook Marketplace, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you can go with your Marketplace. Under Marketplace, you can go with your profile, and here, once you open up your Marketplace, now you may get the notification of confirm your identity. Or you can also go with your listings and you will have the option of confirm your identity right here. But if you don't have it, then you just need simply go back and go with your profile, go with the upper right which has that profile. Now scroll down, go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, you can go with the account center. Under account center, go with personal details, and here you will have identity confirmation. Go with identity confirmation and then confirm your identity. Tap on confirm your identity, and you can run running ads about social issues, election or politics, or protect your account. You can simply choose any one of these, and then you can proceed with the confirmation on your Facebook. That's how you can verify your identity, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.